be hard to beat yesterday.
Yeah, maybe. Looks pretty heavy. Hang on, pause for a second. Alright, we're going. I have to say, them jean shorts look amazing.
Thank you. I hate to say it, but we're going to have to lower this line.
Yeah. There's some roots down there to the left we can tie on to.
No bumpies yet.
No.
I like to just hold it for a while and see.
Yeah.
This is the best part of running the lines when you first pick it up. Don't tell me we caught 5 fish yesterday, we're going to get skunked today.
Probably. There's definitely one on there.
There he is, he's asleep. See if we can't wake him up. Come on, man. Man.
Caught them all yesterday.
Caught every single fish in this part of the river yesterday.
They are done.
Uh-oh.
Yeah? No?
We've got a busted leader, and then this one's mangled.
Oh.
Come here.
Alright, recording. Oh.
What in God's name? That's 12 inches of steel leader. And not only that, but like,
Eel?
look how the swivel itself bent. Like, I don't even know how to...
It's probably an eel, and he like spun it around enough to where it popped it out of his mouth.
But like, look at the...
That's crazy.
There's no way it would be that strong. Hold on. Ah,
I don't know, eels are strong.
son of a buck. This has got to come off here so that we can put a new one in its place, but
Let me try.
maybe I want to get it. Oh, I got it.
Mm,
Wow.
Good lord.
Look at that. Just to compare, that's what it's supposed to look like right there.
Yep.
So you imagine what it would have taken. Oh, 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 oh.
What?
Come on, baby, don't mess with me now. I just made peace with the fact that I thought we were skunked. I think there's a fish on this line, babe. I want to make a charm out of this. It's going to be a necklace.
Yeah. Pull her up. Pull it up.
Come on, come on, come on. Might have been a brick.
Let me zoom in.
Oh, 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 oh. Ah!
What?
We're not skunked. Here, let me get him up high.
I like it.
Make him splash.
Come on. Jump up.
There he is.
Oh, that's a good one.
Alright, well, we're not skunked.
6 fish in 2 days.
I was going to
That's
say it might only be one fish, but it looks like a fairly decent one.
yeah.
Net me, baby. Got good bait left, too.
Yeah, I need to get that thawing out.
You okay?
Yep.
Did I hit your
All right,
knuckle?
hang on.
Sorry, he's heavy. That's the biggest fish we've caught. At least this summer. beauty.
Yeah, he is. Damn. I didn't see how big he was.
I know. He wasn't pulling. Like, he must have been asleep, man.
You woke him up.
Guess if you're a catfish, the bottom of the river is a pretty good place to take a nap.
Yeah. Good place to thaw out your bait, too. Almost lost it.
Huh?
Lava.
What'd you do? Stop messing with stuff. I have officially started using a glove. I am so tired of having catfish knuckle. If you guys don't know what catfish knuckle is, take a belt sander and
Not
then
that bad.
remove about 4 layers of skin across all 4 knuckles. And it's because of that mouth. That mouth you got, buddy.
Pretty sharp teeth, man.
They're not even teeth though. It's like a
Barb.
something. Let me in there. Come on, bite me. Bite me. You know you want to. Oh, that's a nice fish.
Tough talk with a glove on.
Oh yeah. No, I'm so sick of getting bit, y'all. You have no idea.
I can't
Like
go
I
sideways.
have permanent. Oh, sorry.
There we go. Yeah, there you go.
I have permanent scarring on my knuckles from doing this, and I'm just over it. I want to have pretty hands for a little bit longer. That's a beauty right there. Mwah. Very nice fish. Best one we've caught this summer. I think he's a keeper.
I think so.
I saw a fella back at the ramp. He wants him.
Yeah, he does.
I know he does. Been sitting out there fishing for the last hour. Ain't had a bite. Get this guy to his new home? Heck yeah.
We're rebaiting?
Yep. We still have most of our bait too. Not bad, y'all. We got to lower the end of this line. We have lost 3 feet of water in 48 hours. So the end of this is going to be constantly retied to stay at water level. So when I untie that, this is tough. This is a tough thing to do. When I untie that, we have to hold on to the root and also hold the weight of the trout line so that it doesn't end up on the bottom of the river. Because if those bricks hit the bottom or those hooks hit the bottom, there's no telling what they'll get tangled up and hooked on. And we don't want that to happen. It's at a perfect depth right now. So I got to untie that, move it over to this root at water level, but I've got to not drop the trout line and I've got to not let it go slack. So Josh is definitely going to be helping me with this one.
Well, here we go. I got this.
Don't worry. Whew. Dang. Stagnant. Don't fall. Please don't fall.
Oh, yeah. Thank you. All right.
Alright.
Not bad.
Not bad at all.
Though.
Whew. Sorry you guys didn't have a better view of that, but that was all hands on deck. So it was tied right there, and now it is tied down in there.
Had it before.
Yeah, you can't really see it too good. I can't even hardly see in there. So as soon as we let the line, as soon as we let the line down off the boat, you won't see it at all. There we go. Can you get shorter? That's it for us. It is crazy hot out here. There is not even a breath of wind. Like, the treetops are just smoking. We're gonna get this fish off to his new home. Come back tomorrow. Appreciate y'all. Turtle!
You can toss up in there. Oh, what's up, buddy? Look, you don't see me. You don't see me.
What turtle?
You're gonna fall backwards.
I can't get back up now.
Aw. Come on. You got it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Now. It's going to follow me. Ah. Having any luck? No. Well, we got this feller. Hey, you're welcome, bud.
Josh says, feeding America.